Welcome back to Joe Rich Trades and Stocks, man, where we spilling all the info that they don't want you to know. You feel what I'm saying, man? Today we're going to be talking about how I made 5K in about an hour roughly this morning, man. So y'all going to want to stay tapped in, hit that subscribe button, man. Stay tuned in with the trading team, man, because like I said, we spilling a free sauce, man, playing y'all on free game, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, man, we ain't going to talk too much. Let's hop straight into it. Alright, so check this out, man. Before we get into how I made 5K just this morning in 1 hour and all the technicals on everything, I do want to touch bases on what happened in the stock market as a whole yesterday. So check this out, man. We're going to put this junk on screen record. Y'all know Powell had a big speech yesterday, man, and his speech really affected what happened in the stock market yesterday, man. Let me tell y'all. So if we look at SPY, man, his speech was around 2 o'clock. His speech was around 2 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken, man. Powell, one of the biggest speakers on Wall Street. So, like I said, it really had a big impact on the move, on the price action yesterday, man. If y'all see, we on the 15-minute chart on SPY, man. We're going to pull it up probably right here. We on the 15-minute chart on SPY, man. This was the pre-markets yesterday, this little orange sector right here, man. Yeah, I see we ain't have too much price action that was consolidating, man. And then look what happened when he started speaking, man. 30 minutes after he started speaking, 30 minutes to an hour, man, this thing shot up. The stock market as a whole went crazy, man. Stock market as a whole went crazy. But what happened halfway into his speech? Y'all see this y'all see how it shot all the way up right here, made a crazy move, and the crazy move right back down, all the way down to where it started at right before the market closed, man. This is how they try to trap you, man. Whenever that's why I don't like trading whenever it's big events or earnings or big speeches going on, because it be a lot of stock market traps. I'm here to be the first one to tell y'all, man. So don't fall victim to nothing like this. Try to stay out of, I'd say try to stay out of trading when you know somebody's speaking. Try to trade the hours before that, you know what I'm saying? Because ain't no telling what'll happen, man. He started speaking and shout out everybody buying calls, man. Everybody buying calls when it got up to like right here. I know so many people. Boom. 30, 45 minutes later, what did it do? All those people lost, took a L, you feel me? So we ain't trade right there yesterday, man. I just want y'all to be aware, and let's check out any other stock too. A lot of the tech stocks move the same way with it, man. Let's check out Nvidia. Y'all see how Nvidia is on the same type of pattern, man. We didn't go to any one of these tech stocks, man. I think let's check out Microsoft. I don't know if Microsoft had moved too much of the same way. Let's check it out right quick though. Yup, Microsoft did the exact same thing, y'all peep, but that junk was shooting all day for real, for real. If you got in calls, that junk was moving all day for real though. If you got in the calls right here, man, you was eating, but peep how when he started speaking, it did the same thing. Everything is moving the exact same way because SPY holds a lot of weight. Remember that, man. SPY holds a lot of weight with these tech stocks. So now we're going to get into how I made 5K just this morning, man. The day after all of that speaking and stuff, man. The day after Powell spoke and stuff. So let's get into it. Now, let's hop straight into it, man. Get ready to pull out y'all trading views and take notes, man. Take notes, because ain't nothing about the money a joke, you feel what I'm saying? We gonna get into it. In this jump, we got my Robinhood pulled up, and it's still fluctuating a little bit right now, but nothing crazy, because I'm only in a SoFi call, as y'all see, man. But let's see what action I got into earlier, man. How I made this. Oh, excuse me. Why it's not pulling up my options? Hold on. Alright, so I'm gonna make it appear right here, man. Let's get into the first one. NIO. I was on a watch for this, man, because it had a lot of bullish movement in the past couple days, man. And simply to say, I rode the trend, man. I saw a good entry point this morning. We bought 5.5 call. Call means what, man? If y'all been paying attention, what does a call mean? If you don't know, I'm here to tell you a call means that you're basically buying the contract for a certain price and saying the stock is going to move above the strike price that you pick. Understand? So a call means you saying that the stock is going to go up essentially. So we bought a 5.5 call for with a 5/10 expiration date, man. I was looking to hold it for a couple days, but I bought it at 10:36 May 2nd, which is today or yesterday, depending on if I get this done and edited. I'm gonna try to put it out today, you feel me? So you see the limit by 20 contracts for 20 cents. You feel what I'm saying? And always remember, man, each contract, when you're looking at the price of a contract, it say 20 cents, but it's times 100. So you can do the math, man. You can do the math. And then it gained like, I want to say like roughly 50%. I loaded it in my Discord. Y'all tap in with the Discord, man. I'm gonna put the link in the description if y'all want live signals for profits, man. I spill the sauce. Y'all get in with me and hop out with me, man. We see profits and we take profits. You feel me? So we sold this junk for $560. That's an easy. When did we sell it? In 2 hours. That's $160. And then, man, it's better than my 400 just sitting there. You feel me? That's what I want to keep reiterating to y'all, man. It's better to move y'all money around, man. Put y'all money into something that's going to make more money for y'all instead of just sitting around collecting dust, you feel me? Because I definitely used to be the type to just like to keep cash under the bed. But when you really think about it, that it don't really do nothing for you, man. So we go down here. We looking at SPY now, man. Let's start off with the first move we made on SPY. Okay, so we got into a SPY 5/3 put for 503. A SPY 503 put that expires on the 3rd of this month, which is in 2 days. I bought 15 contracts at $295 for the total of 4.425, man. So we scroll up. Let's see how much I sold that for. And then we're going to pull out the trend view and see how I made the money while I got in, man. Give you the rationale. So we looking at SPY, limit sale. I seen this jump shout out, man. I sold all 15 contracts for 58, almost 5.9. Almost 5.9. We just going to say 5.9 because it's only $20 off, man. So let's see how much is that. 5.9. 4.4, so that's a roughly 1.5K in a matter of how long did I hold this for, man? This was within the first hour that the market opened, man. So as y'all can see, I just pulled it up. I sold this at 10:15. So you see, in a little bit amount of time, no matter if it's big or small, it only takes a big or small amount of money. It only takes a little bit of time to multiply your money when you trade options, man. This is why I want to keep reiterating it to y'all that I love trading options, man. So we saw SPY started reversing. What did we do, man? Like I said, I'm gonna pull it up on TradingView so y'all can see this. We seen SPY start reversing, man. We got in the calls. Hop right in and right out. We seen profits and took profits. I did not want this to be a long move at all, so we hopped in for 32.50, sold for 39.40. You feel me? And this is a 10-minute move. Y'all see 10:20 then 10:30. Pay attention, man. So let's go to TradingView and see why we got in the SPY. I got a love-hate relationship with SPY. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I definitely got a love-hate relationship with SPY. So y'all see the market open, man. We don't never want to rush into a trade or front run a trade, man. So I seen this broke a key level down here. It broke 502. So after it broke 502, man, I'm like, yo, this junk gotta keep shooting because the selling volume was so high. The selling volume was so high. I gotta remember how to pull the volume bars up on TradingView. But even if we go back to Robinhood right quick, man, let's go to Robinhood, because I know it'll pull up the selling pressure for y'all. And we want to turn this thing on candlestick, man. Look at the selling pressure right here. Look at the selling pressure right there, man. At 1010. Y'all see how the buying pressure is way lower over here? So boom, man. I see how the buying pressure, or excuse me, the selling pressure is way up on SPY right here, man. So that's part of the reason why I got into SPY puts. I looked for the next candlestick. I didn't rush. I didn't front run my move. I seen that it had more buying or selling pressure, excuse me. So like I said, we got in, man. Rode it to the downside right here, man. Did not overstay our welcome. Seen it start reversing off the key level of 500. I'm like, this thing probably not going to go that much lower than 500, man. We sold it right here, and what did we do? You can make money in both directions in this game. Remember that, off of a stock going up, which would be you buying a call, and a stock going down, which would be you buying a put. Remember that. So we bought calls right here when it got to this low, man. And you see this thing shot up, man. I didn't want to overstay my welcome, and nothing that I was trading this morning, man. I made this 5K within an hour. You hear me? Within an hour. So like I said, I want to keep reiterating that it takes no time to multiply your money. So that's it for SPY, man. Let's go see the next stock we traded, man. Let's put the options back up. So we went over NIO, which is a Chinese stock, a Chinese tech stock. Y'all look into that. Then SPY, SPY, which is an index that holds a lot of the shares on tech stocks, man. So pay attention to how SPY moves in a direction corresponding to how the tech stocks are moving for today, man. We went over SPY. Now let's go over the one L we took today, SMCI. We did take a L. I'm not gonna sit here and fake it to y'all, man. Some of these people be talking about fake it till you make it. Now we keeping everything a bean around here, man. We showing our real portfolios. So I bought it for 4K, man. I got in at a terrible entry point, And what do I mean by that, man? Let's see SMCI on the TradingView. Okay, so boom. I was looking for it to break this level of 720, right? So I got in the puts late. I'm not gonna lie, I did not ride these first two candles. I got in the puts like down here, bro. It went down a little bit. You see how there's this candle shot down here. This end of the candlestick is like a wick. It's not part of the body, so it was no volume down here for real. So it shot down, boom, shot right back up. It started going up, man. I'm like, man, I do not like the trend no more. I see it's reversing. What do? We stop our loss. We do not chase losses, man. We do not stick around if we don't like the pattern we see anymore. Stop your loss. I'm telling you, it's going to make you way more profitable in the long run. Taking little losses and big wins, and minimizing the L's, maximizing the wins. You hear me? So, as I said, I seen a rejection, and what did it do? It definitely rejected, man. We did not ride calls on this. I did not want to do it. It's too volatile, and I didn't like the setup, so we got up out of there, man. That's a 1L we took today. I would have been up like 6-7K for the day if I would have got into SMCI a little bit earlier. You see how your entry point makes a big difference on what you make in a trade, man. So now let's go to NVIDIA, my favorite AI stock, man. So you see, we bought NVIDIA at, when did we buy it? At 950. Let's pull NVIDIA up on TradingView right now, man. NVDA, ticker symbol NVDA. So as y'all can see, man, what did we get into first? We get into calls or puts. I believe it was puts, but I just want to double check. Okay, NVIDIA 840 put 5/3 was the expiration date, man. So I seen the video hit shot up, had low volume at its highs, man. This is a key level. I'm looking at 850, 860 to be a key level. I was expecting it to reject off of 860, but it rejected a little bit earlier, man. So as y'all can see right here, it went up a little bit, spiked up, then spiked back down, man. I waited. No, I got in on this candle, right? Now you see how it went up a little bit. Now pay attention to this. This is called averaging in a contract, so you minimize your losses. After I got in the puts and it went up, the contract that I bought on the puts originally was cheaper. So what did I do? I bought more of that contract. It's called averaging in. So now it has to make a lower move for my losses to minimize. You understand what I'm saying? Y'all on the same page with me, right? This is called averaging in the contract. And then after I averaged in, bought a couple more contracts, what did it do? Chappah. Plummeted all the way down here, man. This junk printed me right quick. And again, as I'ma keep reiterating it, man, because I done got cooked by overstaying my welcome. Don't overstay your welcome when you day trading, man. Especially if you're not too trusted in the setup in the long run, man. Do not overstay your welcome. We saw profits down here, man. We took profits, you feel me? So we'll go back to my portfolio too. Y'all can see I'm not capping. This is my Robinhood. That's a roughly bought it for roughly 6,000 and we'll just say 6,640, right? Now what did I sell it for? What does that say, y'all? A whole 10-piece whamma damma do. You feel me? So we sold it for $10K and $350, man. So that's roughly about 4K gains, man. We saw profits, took profits, man. It made like a huge move down, 50% gains. And y'all see, it doesn't have to, when you trading options, this is the difference between trading options and buying whole shares. If I was to buy a whole share of this, right, I wouldn't be able to make money off it going down, 1, and 2, I would have to pray for me to double my money. I would have to pray that it made a move from 850 to what's 850 times 2? 1,700. 1,700. And I would have to wait just to double my money. Y'all see how I almost doubled my money within minutes, within an hour? While I was sitting on the toilet, man. This is no capping, man. I'm the one that's gonna give it to you real, raw, uncut. I'm not like these other traders, man. No cap. Y'all can resonate with me because we keep it real. So boom, man. I think that's the only ones I traded, man. We're gonna keep this video not too long, short and sweet. Yo, that's everything I traded for the day, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in with me, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe for more free game, man. We gonna keep giving it to y'all, man. This is what we do. Jug Rich Trading Team, Jug Rich Trading Stock. This is what we gonna keep doing, man. Giving y'all the content, man. And y'all see I'm up 4.3 for the day, and it's still fluctuating, man. So we gonna try to tap in tomorrow. If I don't, then I'm gonna tap in Sunday and give y'all my watch list for the upcoming week. We don't got too much major news for today and tomorrow, man. So everything should be smooth. I'll see y'all in the trading world tomorrow, man. We out. Jug.